Partner, ang crucial dito, yung pagkapigil ni McTavish to give Haka some breathing room, some time to recover because of that cut, no?
And Jimrex Haka working on that right upper of his, and he's been connecting.
Left upper.
Left upper, sorry.
Sinusukat ni Jimrex ng kanan at binabatuhan niya ng ilalim, no?
Well, bumalik na ang kumpiyansa ni Haka, but again, he should not be too confident.
Ginagawa niya, tinutukuran niya ng kanan.
May lakas itong kalaban niya.
Pero si Jimrex, grabe. Ang depensa ni Jimrex, opensa.
You know, the second round is just a continuation of the first round, no? From that punch that Haka threw, that almost floored Miyagi. Tuloy-tuloy lang, no? Bigayan na ng bigayan itong dalawa.
Kung ano kakulangan ng aksyon ng ating previous fight, dito naman po, second round pa lang, ay umaapaw ng aksyon. Jimrex Haka, natanggal yung mouth guard itong si Miyagi.
Wala nang kadepensa dito, Hop, sandali.
May bagong rule kasi. Dati, bahala ka sa buhay mo pag nailuwa mo yung mouth guard na yan. Ngayon, ibabalik yan, palilinis ng referee. But you cannot do that intentionally.
Yes.
Or else you will suffer a point deduction. Dito, pwedeng sabihin na nalaglag siya dahil sa tama.
Again, putting everything into perspective, no? Miyagi does not show us any kind of defense. His defense is his offense. Babato lang ng babato ng suntok to, hoping to hurt his opponent.
Ganun din si Haka, no?
But now Haka,
tinamaan si Haka.
but Haka is throwing more methodically with a series of 1-2 punch combinations. Yung sinasabi mo nga, tumutukod ng kanan at bumabato ng kaliwa.
I think
Haka's hurt.
Haka's hurt. He has to get out of the corner. Sumasabay si Haka. I don't think he should be doing that. Malakas
right
masyado.
Jimrex is in danger.
Malakas yung kanan ni Miyagi.
Hindi alam ni Jimrex kung ano tumatama sa kanya.
Both eyes. He's bleeding from both eyes. Haka is bleeding from both eyes.
Again, referee Bruce McTavish saving the day for Haka.
But this one, masyadong bloody. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin pa itong ituloy.
And his rubbery leg, partner,
Those punches that Miyagi is throwing are bombs, no? And obviously his numbers are telling the truth. 12 knockouts out of 16 fights at 32 years old. And if I'm not mistaken, Kinito, you did mention in your article that he stopped for 2 years.
That's right, he did stop for 2 years.
No? At bumalik lang ngayon. No?
Oo.
So total slugger itong si Miyagi. This is the only way he knows how to win.
Now,
Ito, buti na lang itong si Jimrex is getting a reprieve. He's being able to get some air into his lungs dahil kanina talagang in dire straits, no? Wala na.
That's right.
Wala na sa wisyo.
Ang feeling ko naman dito, this is an unfair advantage of a hometown fighter, no?
Agree.
I think even Bruce McTavish, in a situation like this, huwag mong pipigilin yung laban kasi may advantage yung kalaban, But anyway, the fight goes on.
Pero wala, talagang masyadong malakas yung mga patama nitong si Miyagi, and Jimrex is still feeling.
Dapat talaga hindi sumasabay si Jimrex. Oh, he's looking at his corner.
He's looking
at his corner.
He has no legs. And McTavish, again, giving an opportunity for Haka to get back on his feet.
You know, Jimrex is in trouble. There's another timeout being called.
Ewan ko kung ano to, baka pagka ganito, papipigilan natin to. Baka masyado ng malalim ang cut na ito. And si referee Bruce McTavish, I think, wanting second opinion.
Baka itigil na to.
I don't think that punch or
Ayaw na.
that
Masyado ng malalim.
intentionally.
It's over. It's over.
Sayang, no? Ganda sana ng fireworks na ito. And this would have to end again in an abbreviated fashion. Nakita. At sinabi ni referee Bruce McTavish, it was a punch that actually opened the wound again, no? For
Very clearly. Tough guy ito si Miyagi, partner. Kita mo,
Well, he proved this
kinakalbo
point.
na, pero malakas pa rin. 32 years old.
He proved this point.
Yes.
I kept on saying, ito lang ang paraan yatang alam niyang manalo, no? 12 KOs out of 16 wins. And that's the only way he knows how to fight. And Jimrex was at the end of all his punches. Tumatama,
Actually, ganun din si Jimrex. No? That's the only way he knows how to fight and to win. Either
Exactly.
siya matutulog o yung kalaban niya matutulog.
Hindi na
Ito,
gumalaw,
naunahan siya,
ito yung una.
Yan, no?
Dito pa lang tapos na si Jimrex.
Look at those eyes. Wala.
Wala
It's
na.
gone.
Nagulat
Legs are
siya.
gone.
Hindi niya alam kung ano yung tumama sa kanya.
Oo.
And then he will get tagged again. Ito na naman ang isa. Ay, ito yung ito yung bigay niya.
Left uppercut. Pero binilangan to, di ba?
Hindi, ito yung susunod.
hindi.
Dito yung nagwabol. Ito.
Babagsak siya dito.
Okay.
Ito, eksakto.
Yun, left. Parang left hook yung tumama.
Okay, baka matanong nila yung ba't hindi binilangan ng tuloy-tuloy dahil patapos na yung round natin. Wala hong save by the bell na ngayon sa boxing. At dito yata magtatapos yung laban para kay Jim Rex. Ito talagang tinitignan natin dito, Mike and Kenito, na si Jim Rex was out of it. He was just absorbing all the blows being thrown by Miyagi. And at this point, papasok si referee Bruce McTavish to just look at Jim Rex Haka, who was just absorbing all types of punishment from Miyagi.
Ni railroad, talagang dinaanan lang. Nung Miyagi, dinaan sa lakas, no? And as we were pointing out, he didn't even look like he was trained as a boxer. His punches were coming from everywhere. There were no 1-2 punch combinations. He just kept on throwing.
And look at
But
the
again,
game
you have to
Japanese
hand it to Haka, no? Because in that first round, bumagsak siya ng 2 beses at binalikan niya yung kanyang kalaban, bumagsak din. Here's the official time.
On the advice of our weight physician, referee Bruce McTavish starts the fight at 2 minutes and 17 seconds in round number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a technical draw. Jim Rex Haka retains the WBO Asia Pacific Super Featherweight crown.
Oh, it looks like they've decided. It looks like they've decided that the cuts were opened by a butt.
And
That's the only way that it could be a technical draw. That the cuts were opened by a butt.
Maybe
That's the only way.
We can check on the scoring.
And this is a travesty. I think this is a clear hometown decision favoring Haka.
Paano
And
nga,
it takes away the justice of boxing.
dapat technical knockout yun kasi pinigil. At saka sumenya si Bruce McTavish kanina na punches.
It was a punch.
So those were legitimate blows.
Oh, well,
Scored.
ako sa tingin ko, no, the only way that this could be a technical draw is if the ringside physician, on the advice of the referee, that the cuts were opened by a butt.
Yes, we should check on that.
And it's a travesty. It's sad because I think Haka deserved to lose this fight.
Ito, tignan po natin yung end for Jim Rex Haka, pero it will go down as a technical draw. We'll try to sort out things. Nababalikan po natin. Gusto namin ipaliwanag how this came to being. No, paano naging technical draw ang laban na ito. Babalikan po natin ito.
Referee muna. We will call it either a
Wala na.
box.
Bruce.